Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can elevate the look of your kitchen or any room in your home. We found the HBL 30-pack of matte black cabinet pulls and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these cabinet pulls? The HBL 30-pack features modern, Euro-style matte black handles that are perfect for a variety of cabinets and drawers. Each pull has a 3-inch center-to-center measurement, making them a versatile choice for many types of furniture. Whether you're renovating your kitchen, upgrading your bathroom, or simply refreshing your wardrobe, these pulls can enhance the aesthetic of your space. One of the standout features of these cabinet pulls is their contemporary design. The clean lines and timeless look of the matte black finish make them widely compatible with different styles, from minimalist to industrial. This means whether you have a modern kitchen or a more traditional setting, these handles will fit right in. Now, let's talk about durability. The HBL cabinet pulls are made from high-quality stainless steel, which means they won't rust over time. This is a significant advantage, especially in environments like kitchens and bathrooms where moisture is prevalent. The sleek matte black coating not only adds to the visual appeal but also helps resist fingerprints and smudges, keeping your handles looking pristine with minimal effort. In terms of specifications, each pull measures 5 inches in total length, with a diameter of ½ inch and a projection of 1 to ¼ inch. The 3-inch hole center means they're designed to fit most standard cabinet and drawer setups, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. Speaking of installation, HBL has made it incredibly easy for you. Each handle comes with 2 sets of screws, short screws measuring 1 inch and longer ones at 1.58 inches. This variety ensures that you'll have the right screws for your specific cabinet type. Additionally, they include a handy installation template, so you won't need to rush out to buy extra tools or materials. You can get your new pulls installed quickly and efficiently, allowing you to enjoy the transformation of your space sooner rather than later. Who would benefit from using these cabinet pulls? If you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your cabinetry, a renter wanting to add a personal touch to your space, or even a DIY enthusiast working on furniture projects, these pulls are an excellent choice. Their modern appeal and sturdy construction make them suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, wardrobes, and cupboards of all kinds. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine a kitchen with outdated or mismatched cabinet hardware. Swapping in the HBL matte black pulls can instantly modernize your cabinetry, creating a cohesive and stylish look. Or perhaps you're working on a DIY project, like refinishing an old dresser or building a custom wardrobe. These pulls can add a professional touch that makes your hard work truly shine. Lastly, there's the peace of mind that comes with trying these cabinet pulls risk-free for 180 days. HBL is confident you'll love their handles, but if they don't suit your style, you have that generous return window to find something that does. In summary, the HBL 30-pack of matte black cabinet pulls is a stylish, durable, and versatile option that's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their home. If you're in the market for new cabinet hardware, these pulls are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video